Hello, my amazing friends. Fear. It lives inside all of us. But sometimes it's not about escaping fear. It's about facing it. This is the story of Maya, a woman who once trembled at the thought of heights, and yet she dared to dream the impossible, climbing Mount Everest. Maya grew up in a small town, far from any mountains. She was an ordinary person, just like you and me, but deep inside she had a spark, a wish to do something extraordinary. So where did her courage come from? It came from a simple promise she made to herself. I will not let fear decide my life. Before Maya even touched the mountain, she trained her body and her mind for years. Every morning she ran for miles. Every evening she lifted heavy weights. She studied climbing techniques, survival skills, and weather patterns. She prepared her gear carefully: boots, ropes, oxygen tanks, warm jackets to fight the freezing cold. But the hardest training was training her mind to stay strong when everything else wanted to give up. Then the real challenge began. The wind roared. The snow blinded her eyes. The cold cut through her like a knife. Every step up the mountain was a battle against nature and against fear. Sometimes she slipped. Sometimes she cried. Sometimes she whispered, "Maybe I can't do this." But Maya was not alone. Her climbing team lifted her spirit when she felt weak. They shared laughter, tears, and silent prayers under the freezing stars. They reminded her, we rise, not alone, but together. And then, one morning, after weeks of pain, struggle, and hope, Maya stood on top of the world, the summit of Mount Everest. The sky stretched forever, the mountains bowed below her, tears filled her eyes, not because of the cold, but because she had done it. She had faced her fear and won. Maya realized something powerful that day. The real mountain was not outside. It was inside her, and she had climbed it. After Everest, Maya's life changed. Not because of the fame, but because now she knew she could face anything. She began helping others find their courage too, speaking at schools, coaching young climbers, inspiring people around the world. Maya's message is simple. Your mountain may not be Everest. It might be a fear, a dream, or a challenge, but whatever it is, you can climb it. Fear is not your enemy. It is your invitation to grow. Maya's journey teaches us perseverance can move mountains, courage can light the darkest paths, and belief in yourself, can turn the impossible into possible. So today, ask yourself, what is your mountain? Don't wait. Start climbing. Your summit is waiting for you. Share your story in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to rise, to dream, and to conquer. Learn English through stories. You got this. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video, and remember, the best is yet to come.